Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Parshah Ponderables. I'm Rebecca Feldman.
And I'm Gabriella Steinerman.
So this week's Parsha is...
Shemini.
Right, Shemini. Okay, Gabriella, I have a question for you to ponder. We learn of the tragic punishment of two of Aaron's sons, Nadav and Avihu, as they offered a sacrifice. My question is, they were trying to do the same exact thing that Aaron had done just a few psukim earlier to great effect. How could there be such a completely different ending to an almost identical story?
Well, Rebecca, I was going to say that I have a question for you to ponder.
Oh?
Yes, we also learn which animals are kosher. The Torah first teaches us that animals that both chew its cud and have split hooves is okay to eat. So we see that if an animal does not have both these characteristics, it's not kosher. So then why did the Torah then go on and say the four specific animals? The pig, the camel, the rabbit, and the hare are all not kosher because they only have one. Isn't that obvious? And don't we believe in omni-significance that there is not one obvious word in the Torah?
Wow, that's a great question. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking that perhaps we can combine our two questions and see something quite deep in this Parsha.
That Nadav and Avihu's error was thinking that they could offer a korban to Hashem whether and however they wanted, even if they were drunk. They made themselves the focus of the gift, not Hashem. That missed the whole point of our relationship to Hashem was supposed to be. That is why there is a big difference between the korban offered by Aaron, which was done properly, and the offering of Nadav and Avihu, which was only done to please himself. We can connect this to my question, why the Torah went out of its way to explain the animals with only one characteristics were not kosher. Maybe you might think, well, one of the two isn't bad. The Torah is saying, no, you can't think you making a small adjustment to the Torah is okay. So the deep lesson of Shemini is that we can that when we make changes to Hashem's mitzvot to suit ourselves, we are missing the whole point. Real commitment to the Torah means to truly give yourself.
Wow, Gabriella, that is so true. Thank you so much for joining me today and have a wonderful and blessed Shabbos.